Okay, so this is the Kilowald sewer inspection. So I went out almost 100 feet, I think, with my sewer camera, and there's the main. You can see it's the T's, and you can see water flowing in there from the other houses. So I'm going to come back now. I'm not sure how much space I have on this hard drive. So if the video suddenly stops for some reason, it's because I ran out of space on the hard drive. But I only see one little issue in here. It's all new PVC and then some clay pipe. But I'll show you here. I'm coming back toward the house now. So that looks like clay pipe right there. And there's I knocked some of it out. Stuck. Oh no, I got schmutz on my lens. See, I knocked a little, so I can't clean that off because we're out 100 feet. So I got a little. Hey, can you guys hear me? Hey! Flush the toilet! Yeah! I'm going to have them flush the toilet and see if we get some of that schmutz off of there. So but that was just a tiny little mineral buildup there at that point, and I got stuck on it. I always freak out a little when I get stuck. So I got my camera stuck one time. It took me like 2 hours to get it out. So, hold on, I'll let you know when that water comes by here. I'm narrating a video, that's why I'm not talking to myself, I'm narrating a video. So when that water comes by here, I will swish the camera head around and that might wash it off for us. But that one little blockage that we just went past was the only little, it's mineral buildup basically. And before I went through it, I think it was about maybe 50% blocked with minerals, and then I knocked some out with my camera as I went through there. And sometimes it's hard. There it is. That's not going to work. There's not enough of it. There it is. I got it cleaned out. So this is, so right there is where it changes. So that's old pipe right there. That looks like clay pipe or cast iron or something. And we're out like 80 some feet or 90 feet right there. And then there's where it transitions to the new PVC. And then it's all new PVC and it's all clear sailing back. But that one point where I hit the little mineral buildup, where I got a little stuck, is the only issue I saw worth mentioning. And that mineral buildup can be gotten rid of with, you know, power jetting. They call it hydrojetting. They come and hydrojet your sewer. And it may never cause you an issue, but if you ever start to get a sewer backup, that would be the reason right there at that point. So this, you know, this is, you know, pretty close to perfect pipe. There's no standing water. There's no bellies, which would have standing water in them. The access I went through is here in the crawl space. There's a turn right there. That's a turn down, I think the pipe got smaller too at that turn. They reduced from like a 6 to a 4. I'm going fast because there's nothing to mention here, you know. So I inspect it both ways. I inspect it when I go out, you know, slowly, because I want to be careful in case I see anything that's going to get my camera stuck. But as I come back, I just narrate typically and let you know what I saw. There's the access. And crawl space on Kilowald. That's it. So we didn't run out of space. Good. I'm going to save the video now.